I think today or sometime I'm gonna have to do a detox on my locks. Look at that. This is from, you see how long it is? This is from like the first year that I had my locks, when I was trying to, you know, figure out what the heck I was supposed to be doing with them, which is basically nothing. But I have like, I was using like wax and lock gels and all the other stuff that these lock gurus on YouTube tell you to use that you're actually not really supposed to use. So yeah, and I just washed my hair with the Dr. Bronner's almond soap. So like my scalp is like squeaky clean. My hair is like super, it's hair in my mouth everywhere. So my hair is like super clean and everything, but it did not get this stuff out. So I think we're gonna try a lock detox. All right, so I'm gonna use this little pan I got from Dollar Tree, and it is, I don't know what size it is, but it's the one that you could kind of like, it's a deep one. There we go. And I'm gonna set this up, make myself comfortable. Hopefully my idea works. And do like this. Okay, let's see if it cooled off some. Ow. It's still a little hot, but it's okay. Okay, like I can actually put my hands in there now. Alright, let's see. That's hot. And it stink. Y'all, this shit stink. I meant it stink. I'm gonna stop using profanity. Okay, so now I guess what? I just let my hair soak for a few minutes. Like putting stickers on me already. It's about to be a long 10 minutes. Look at this. She already putting stickers on me. Ouch, girl. Move out the way. This water. I do not want to spill this vinegar on the floor. I'm just relaxing, letting my hair soak in this solution. I haven't started squeezing it yet. Scrolling social media. Be sure to go follow my Instagram, Nathina Antoinette, you know, shameless plug, and follow me on all of my other social medias. Thank you. Alright, so it's been about 7 minutes. So let's see if I could see any gunk coming out. Ew. Okay. Well, it's working. So I'm gonna just start like squeezing. Should I shampoo my hair while it's in this water, or just let it keep soaking? I'm asking y'all, like y'all can talk back to me. I need more friends. Alright, I'm gonna just let this soak for a little bit more.
Oh, yes.
You wanna wash my hair? Mm-hmm. Go ahead. You gotta come on this side. Come over here. You gonna get down so they can see you and say hi?
Get down.
You wanna say hi?
Hi.
They can't see you, look. You gotta get close. Come here. You gotta put your face by mommy face. See? Other way. Now they can see you. Look up at the camera. The camera up there.
Hey.
Like the camera, not the laptop.
Hey.
Okay, go ahead, wash my hair. It's not hot no more, girl.
Okay.
Okay.
My pants.
Oh my gosh, Black. You're so dramatic. You can keep your pants on. It's okay if they get wet. I just want you to wash my hair for me. Okay.
I can do this.
You can do this? Oh my god. Oh, it takes off.
My pants.
Black, you have 1 drop, 2 drops of water on your pants. It is okay. I have the most dramatic children ever. They need Oscars. They need EGOTs. They need all of them. Tonys, Emmys, even the ones you get for music, because that's how dramatic they are. They just need all of them. Ew. So these are the locks that I was showing you guys earlier. Like, it is so well. My hair feels like it's nothing. Like it's nothing in it. And my locks feel so light. Let's see. The ones in the back were terrible. Yep. So I literally like just got out the shower. Yo, my hair is getting long. It's almost not in frame. My face is so dry. Hold on. Yeah. So, the apple cider vinegar and the what's it called worked really well. And when I got in the shower, I just rinsed it for a couple minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't really rinse it that well. But after I rinsed it enough to squeeze it to see it, you know, it was pretty much running clear. I went ahead and I washed my hair with the Dr. Bronner's. I did 2 lathers. So I washed it, rinsed, washed it, rinsed. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So now I'm just gonna go through and Black, come on. I'm gonna go through and oil my hair, oil my scalp, not my hair. This is just virgin sunflower oil. That's the only thing that's in here. And I'll just part it in half. And do this side first. So yeah, so this is I feel like the other video was kind of quick because I was just saying that like I still have my locks. I didn't cut them out or anything like that. And this, I didn't really get to show you guys exactly like how long they are. So I'm about to flex for y'all real quick or whatever. So here is a side view of my locks. I got oil going all the time. But yeah, so that is how long my locks are now. Y'all can see. And so yeah, as far as the size of my locks, everybody kept saying, oh, your locks are still thick, your locks are still thick. So I'm just gonna show you guys why I was like, I don't feel as though I have thick locks anymore. I kind of just have, like, they're just locks, you know. So here's what it was when I like had like the really thick locks. So now my locks are almost back to like their original size, except a few of them, like this was like 3 locks originally, and they were all pretty much this size. So they're not quite back to the size that they were originally, but yeah, I don't know how many locks I have. Don't ask me. Count real quick. Did you count it? Okay, so now y'all know how many locks I have. So yeah, you guys, this is what my hair is looking like after 2 years. I know in the last video I did, I was like, these were still together, but I just pulled these apart yesterday. Y'all, if you don't see me every single day, so much stuff is possible that is gonna change within a matter of whatever. But yeah, so I still haven't been retwisting my hair. I think the last time I told you guys I was gonna just keep on freeforming. So I've still been like freeforming, but y'all are, if you've been following my lock journey, then you already know the deal. You already know what Nathina struggles with. My hair is very soft. It was hard for me to get it to lock, and so yeah. But actually, now that my hair, I have all of these, like a lot of locks at this length. I think I want to retwist my hair. I think I want to retwist my hair just to see what it looks like. I'm about to retwist my hair. I'm gonna retwist my hair.